Hello everyone and welcome back to the Prime Coding channel. So today we'll discuss about most asked TCS HR and managerial questions. As I'm actively taking mock sessions, I have faced that people have issue how to explain or how to demonstrate or how to answer the managerial questions. These are nowadays a mandatory rounds and you need to clear it for sure. Otherwise, your hard work will definitely gonna ruin in coding round. So yes, we'll discuss about everything in this video. In this particular video, we have the collection from previous 5 years to 2024 all managerial questions you can find in this particular video. So please stay till then because there is a free mock session opportunity for you. Now, let's hop to the very first question. So you can see the collection of questions that I have took, and it is all about every question that you should be aware of. In this video, I will give you the template. You just need to change the keywords and technology and you are good to go with your response. Now, which technology would you prefer working with? So this is the very first question. I enjoy working with a range of technology. You have situated a context of your answer, but my preference is for those that I have the most experience that align with the project's need. Great. For example, I have extensive experience with Python for data science, data analysis, Java for backend development, and AWS for cloud services. Rest as a template. So if you have other technologies with you, other languages with you, please replace Python with your favorable languages and your response is ready. It might be you don't have any 3 technologies with you, but how many you have, you can just need to append here, remove the keywords, and your response has been created. So yes, the response has been given to you. Please prepare it thoroughly. Now, what did you learn the most from working on this project? From my last project, see, I am telling like a story. You need to tell like in a storytelling manner. You need to hook the interviewer with your definitions. So I learned the importance of effective communication. You have showed that you are an open listener and learner. And collaboration. You have a team player also. Please try to use all these keywords that I am circling up within a diverse team, which means in diverse team which has a design team, a web team, a backend team, you have a good level of team player and effective communication in diverse range of team. I also gained a deeper understanding of agile methodology, and if you have other stuffs, please mention those. If you don't have, mention agile methodology. Try to create a story, and if you are mentioning agile methodology, then you should be aware of the 7 steps and what is the difference between agile methodology and software development life cycle in that iterative waterfall model or waterfall model. So try to go through with all this. So this would be the follow-up question that you can expect, and how to manage time resources efficiently to meet tight deadlines. I have seen people who mention deadlines in their weakness. Yes, I have a weakness of not maintaining the deadline. The deadline would be very near. I used to compromise with the work. Guys, please don't say this. These types of words definitely come when you are in the nervous situation. So try to work on with that. I have given the template, told you about the necessary keywords that you need to use, and please create a template right now. Can you tell us about any project TCS has worked on in 2024, 2022, then 2020? Yes, this question is a very hot question. Passport Seva Kendra. The website has been developed by TCS. India Post, IRCTC, health insurance, financial inclusion, investor facilitation, and pension administration. These are the particular projects that TCS has worked on. TCS has worked on numerous high-impact projects across various industries, and one notable project is the collaboration with the banks to develop a blockchain solution for cross-border payments, which significantly reduce transaction times and cost. That's why you can expect in the interview, what do you mean by trending technologies? Can you list all the trending technologies? Then you need to tell about blockchain, cloud, and they can ask you any technology and you need to speak for 2 minutes. For this, for blockchain, I've created in-depth that you need to know and the flow that you need to follow, how to explain about blockchain, everything is there. You can find all about blockchain on my channel. Great. The template has been given. Most of the project that they have worked is given. Please make a note of it. What is the difference between equity and equality? Many people are not aware of what do you mean by equity. So yes, here we'll see. Equality means providing the same resource opportunity to everyone, while equity was distributing resources. Equity, most important term in our IT industry, because sometimes instead of giving full package, they usually offer you some equity in their company if you are working in some startups. Great. Based on the specific needs of individual to achieve fairness in outcomes, equity recognizes that the different people have different circumstances and allocates the exact resources and opportunity that need to resource an equal outcome. Guys, the template is a fantastic template that my team has been created. So please try to use it. Try to use the same template. In this, you don't need to change anything. Great. How do you prioritize your task when you have multiple deadlines to meet? Very hot question. Very hot question. Prioritize a task based on their urgency and importance. See, you have told the one-liner answer that they want to listen, and you have hooked the interview with a definition. I use tools like Envision Metrics. You can tell about your tools that you have used. Try to mention Notion or keep notes to maintain the urgency of the work, to categorize tasks and focus on high priority item first. Additionally, I break down large tasks into smaller. It shows you have a problem solving skills with you, managerial part, and set milestones to track progress. Regularly reassessing priorities and being flexible to adjust as needed is also a key, because you should arrange the work according to their priorities. The most priority work should be done early as possible. It shows you are very time punctual also. So see how many contexts this particular response is creating. So please go through it, create a response according to it. What is the approach to conflict resolution within your team? Most asked question. My approach to conflict resolution involves the active listening. It shows you are an active listener also. Understanding all perspective means you are going on ground level what exactly happened, and facilitating open communication, which means you have a good communication skills also if you are able to resolve the conflict by the communication itself. I encourage team members to express their concerns and work together to find mutually agreeable solutions. It is the only solution that you can tell. If necessary, I mediate discussion to ensure a fair and objective resolution. Guys, every question you can expect a contradiction over it. So please prepare. They can tell if the interviewer, if still the conflict has not been resolved, you have told another approach also, but again they will contradict over it. So try to be very generic, show your positive side there. Describe a time when you had to lead a team through a difficult project. What were the challenges and how did you overcome with them? Guys, if you have not been led any team, try to create a virtual scenario, like you have did some hackathon, or you have went in some project descriptions, or a seminar where you have led a 3-member of team. Try to be very specific so that the most question can't be asked there. In my previous role, I led a team through a project with a very tight deadline and limited resource. The challenges included managing time effectively and ensuring team morale, because morale itself a key word that you need to use. This template is a fantastic template that just you need to create a response according to it. I addressed these settings, clear goals, delegating tasks based on the individual strengths, and maintaining open line communication. Regular checkings and celebrating small wins helped keep the team motivated. So yes, this would be the great response. Please try to tell the same line if you are able to memorize it, or if you are able to understand these keywords. Try to use that. How do you handle a situation where you do not have all information needed to make a decision? How you can do that? Gather as information as possible from available sources and seek input from colleagues. See how you have shown you have a collaborative skills. You are a team player or experts. If time allows, I conduct further research, which means you are time punctual also. In situation where a decision is urgently needed, I use my best judgment based on the information at hand and document the assumptions made to revisit and adjust the decision if necessary. See how many context is situated here. Try to use this context because HR wants to see this context into your answers. So try to feel what you are telling it. Just stand in front of the mirror and speak. See your body language there. You will get to know much thing. Now, how do you handle feedback, both positive and negative? So this is a main core question that you want to tell them, because in the IT industry, it basically happens a lot. I view feedback as an opportunity for growth. Positive feedback reinforces what I am doing well, while negative feedback highlights the area of improvement. I listen carefully, ask for the specific examples, and take actionable steps to address any issues. I also make it the point to thank the team member for their input. I have asked same questions in the mock sessions, and the people were like, I will act over the feedback. I will heard it and I will try to argue with the person that why I'm getting the negative points if I have worked hard in this project. Guys, you would be right among yourself, not in the front of your teams. Please try to be open listener when you are getting some good feedback or a negative feedback or a positive feedback. So please create your answer specific to this response. Why do you want to work for TCS and what do you know about our company? Most asked question if you are a very first member who's getting the interview or you have an offer with you. TCS is a global leader in IT service and consulting with a strong reputation for innovation and customer satisfaction. I admire TCS, like how you are buttering the people, like TCS, how the TCS achievement is, which feels that they work on what is the work culture that is present over internet. Try to speak those so that it shows you are telling about all the positive points and cutting edge properties in a collaborated environment. So this would be the necessary response. What makes you good fit for the role and for TCS? My skills and experience align well with the requirements of the role. Great. I have a proven track. So this is the contextual line that you are setting the context. You are making the interview to listen your approach. I have proven track record and delivering complex project on time within the budget. It shows you are a team player. You work on a specific condition. You don't waste much money. Additionally, my values resonate with the TCS emphasis on innovation. See, now you have taken a part of the TCS innovations also, integrity and excellence. My collaborative nature, it shows you are a team player also, a collaborative team player. TCS oriented culture, which TCS is highly promoted a team or a collaborative nature. All these keywords you have mentioned in your answer and you have just impressed the interviewer with your response. Okay. How do you handle work-life balance, especially when leading a team with a diverse needs? I prioritize the time management and set clear boundaries between work and personal life. I encourage my team to do the same by promoting flexible working hours and delegating the task effectively. See how you have created your answer, which shows you are time punctual, you know how to segregate the works, make a segment of the prioritized work, you are segregating your personal life as well as your professional life. So please go through all these. Guys, you might be very confident with your approaches, you might be confident with your resume, but there is no use if you're not able to represent that. So be confident, don't be overconfident. For checking the current status of yourself, how much you know, please go to the www.primecoding.com. You will find everything that you need to assess your skills. Please try to it because this opportunity is the one opportunity that you are getting it in this recession. Many product-based companies are just layoffing many people, and in this recession, you have offer with you. Don't try to lose that. So please, I saw the people who are very confident with their resume and they have seen their mirror. So I will recommend you to just have a look over it. Now, tell me about yourself. The basic high-level ask question. I have X years of experience or X months of experience in your field. Mention it with a strong background in a specific skills or industries. I graduated from your university, like whatever you are studying in, with a degree in your field. The template has been created, guys. The template has been created, which will take a minute to speak And this is a generic answer. And the another expected answer is, take me through your resume. This is another mistake that people do. They usually ask, sir, what do you want to listen? He wants to listen to the technical aspects of your resume. Start with it. Show them a storytelling skill that you have. Start with your education. Moving forward with the next section, and next section. Great. Don't tell the very first section education, then my project. Try to create a good paragraph which hooks the interviewer interest in your explanation. Now, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Another hot question. My strengths include strong analytical skills, effective communication, ability to lead and motivate the teams. Guys, these are the keywords that you need to use in your definitions. A weakness, I have been working on delegating tasks on more effectively. I tend to take one on too much myself, but I'm learning trust my team abilities and delegate more effectively. Guys, many people don't know about their weakness. You can use your weakness that is mentioned in this particular template. So please make a note of this template. Now, what do you know about TCS and our services? This question has been created earlier. You can frame your answer on particular paragraph that you have saw earlier. Otherwise, this would be the other answer that you feel. If it is good, you can create a response according to this. Now, why do you choose your field of study? I chose my field of study because I always being passionate about your field, because many people are from ECE background, IT background, but they don't know why they have took this course. They don't have any justification about it. So this would be the definition of that. So please follow this. How has your education prepared for this role? So this is a generic question that you have spent 4 years on that particular course. What that course has been impacted. So my education provided me the strong foundation of your field courses, specific subject that you have saw that it's a very important projects, internships that you have did in your 4 years of engineering life. Help me apply with a learn of real world scenarios. So please follow these templates. The templates, all these notes, you can find it over my Telegram group. Okay. Can you give me the example of project where you demonstrated leadership skills? This is a ask question to those who have did a good project, a final year project or an internship project. So you should be aware of this particular template. I led a project, a description of the project, coordinated with a team, number of the members, which shows you are able to handle your team members. Despite of some initial challenges, we delivered the project successfully, which means you are on the point. You use the time that you have. You don't waste the time. You're a time-oriented guy. Now, can you describe a situation where you had learned something new quickly? If you don't have any situation, just paste this response, learn this response. A large job we have adopted, a large job it would be, or a project it would be, or anything that you have did in your project or in your resume, a new software tool that I'm unfamiliar with. I quickly got up with the speed up taking online courses, reading documentation, experimenting tools during my free time. So this, if you don't have any professional experience, then you can talk about your final year project, because mostly we are not aware of the technologies that you have used. So this response would be a gem for you. Do you prefer working independently or as a part of a team? I enjoy both working independently as a part of a team. Independently work allows me to focus and manage my time effectively, while team collaboration brings me diverse perspective and foster creativity. I believe a balance of both is important for personal and the professional growth. See, you don't have any response with you. This is a response that I'm giving you. Please make a note of it and ace your interview. How do you handle working with team members who have different opinions from yours? I handle offering opinions by actively listening and understanding their perspective. I find common ground and work towards. So basically, if opinion A is given to you and opinion B is given to you, please try to find a common ground and create the particular response according to that. So see how well the template has been written. So make a note of it. What role did you typically play in your team setting? What role you have played in your final year and in your internship? You need to specify that. Please change according to the keywords that you have did in your internship or final year project. So I'm a collaborative role, or you can just copy paste these particular template. Often acting as a mediator to ensure everyone ideas as a heard and considered depending on the team needs. I can lead projects or provide support to help others succeed. Flexibility and adaptivity are my strengths in my team settings. So you can just copy paste this particular response. There would be no issue. What attracted you to apply for position at TCS? And what if you got rejected today, then what you will do? This is the follow-up question that you can expect. I'm attracted to TCS because its reputation for innovation, commitment for the employment development, and its role global leader IT services, opportunity to work cutting edge project and contribute impactful solutions. So this would be your approach. Okay. Now, what do you think are the most important qualities for someone to excel in this role? Most important qualities including strong analytical role. Here stands for digital role, prime role, and the ninja role. So you should be aware of the answer. You can copy paste this particular response. Effective communication, adaptability, and the ability to work well under pressure, being a team player, and having a continuous learning mindset are also crucial for excelling in this role. Paste it anywhere, any role in both of the three. Okay. Now, more resources that you need to refer is SQL. Most saw video on my channel because it contains all type of patterns as well as most asked top 50 questions of DBMS. I bet you any question that comes into your interview, it will come from this particular video. Now, most asked important coding interview question from previous 5 years till 2024. All questions are covered in this video. And the technical questions which include OOPS, OS, CN, and data structures and algorithm question that you should be aware of. Every important questions from 2024 to last previous 5 years covered in this particular video. And if you feel that you are confident with whatever you know, you are confident over your resume or your skills, I bet you to challenge yourself by just paying 99 rupees. Just hit to the www.primecoding.com.in and you will get to know everything what you need to do. Just chance to win free mock session. Just comment on below this video. Follow the LinkedIn page. The link would be in the description of Prime Coding. Join Telegram group because 1 week after this video, I will release the winner name. And the thing is, I want to know you is the question, the part 2 of this video will come tomorrow in the morning or in the evening, but the part 2 will come for sure. So please make sure that you subscribe the channel. Please share with your friend who are not being able to create their responses. The more knowledge you spread, the more double you will get. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.